And you notice that he moved a little bit because the laser was actually lining up not quite on the center of the target. This is a very exaggerated sized target. If we put that down range, that square would be like that big. So let's go ahead and let's say this was his target, and that's where he's at. Go ahead and muscle it over. Muscling it over, what I'm saying is I'm saying you're going to push, you're going to force the sights onto your target. Okay, so let's go ahead and check your natural point of aim. He's going to close his eyes, relax a little bit, wiggle a little bit, and he'll open his eyes back up. And you'll see that the sights have drifted over. If you're muscling, if you're pushing the rifle, it's going to go back to where it naturally wants to point. If you need to adjust in a prone position, this elbow is going to stay right where it is. You don't move that one. You're going to move your hips. You pick your belt buckle up off the ground, move your butt left or right, and that's going to move your natural point of aim one way or the other. If you're too low, scoot your hips back. If you're too high, scoot your hips forward. So you're going to accordion back and forth to get that proper natural point of aim. We haven't covered shooting standing yet, but you will find that it's pretty much the opposite from standing. Another thing you'll notice, go ahead and breathe in. Breathe in and hold a breath. Now breathe in all the way. See, his sight goes down just a little bit, and then when he breathes out, it goes up. So that's where having your knee up further will affect your natural point of aim as well, because you're getting your diaphragm up off the ground. So everything you're doing affects that natural point of aim. And what you need to be doing is verifying. And you can do it over and over until you get it right. Minute adjustments, you'll eventually get it right into the target. And every time you pull the trigger, and you squeeze and hold back, no matter how much recoil you feel, you'll come right back on target. Notice how it comes right back? That's like a 30-06 hitting you. And you come right back on target every time. But if you don't have natural point of aim, if you haven't put your natural point of aim on the target, you can't get a tight group, because you can't repeat your shots every time.